Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have discussed about the HTML tags, right? We have discussed about different types of HTML tags and also different kinds of heading tags and also the pre-tag and how to modify the paragraphs, etc. So today, continuing our HTML tutorial, let us discuss about the style attribute, okay? In the attributes video, we have already discussed about the style attribute. Today, let us discuss about its types in HTML, okay? So without any delay, let us start our video. We have three kinds of stylings in HTML. The first one is the inline styling, which we have used already in the attributes video while discussing about the style attribute, okay? So the style attribute in inline styling, the style attribute is used inside the start tag of an element, okay? So let us see that. Okay, look here we have the style attribute, the color is green and the font family is Arial, right? So this is nothing but the inline styling which we haven't used the term yet, but we have used the working of inline styling before, okay? This is the paragraph start tag and this is the end tag. So we have used the style attribute within the start tag, okay? So this is nothing but the inline styling. And the second kind of styling which we are going to discuss today is the embedded styling. In this kind of styling, the style element is used inside the head element, okay? We have head tag, right? The start tag and the end tag. In between we write title in general. So in between the head start tag and the end tag we write the style, we use the style element and add the styling to our HTML page, okay? And finally, the third kind of styling is the external style sheet, okay? In this kind of styling, an external style sheet is pointed using a link element, okay? We use the link element to join a style sheet and a HTML page. So let us discuss about this clearly while going through our CSS tutorial. The next coming tutorial is CSS, so let us discuss about it then. So for now, let us discuss about the embedded styling. Now let us implement the embedded styling for a HTML page, okay? We have already implemented inline styling, right? We have the style, font size, 80 pixels. We shall implement the same thing by using the embedded styling, okay? Now we shall use the style element within the head element, okay? So I'm using the style element and then I want my styling to be happen for the h1 tag, right? So h1 and then open the flower brace and now we have the font size 80 pixels. Font size colon, the same thing you have to do here, just we do not use any quotations here, okay? Font size 80 pixels and finally we use the semicolon and we end the flower braces. Now I want my styling to be happen for my paragraph, right? We have color green and font family Arial. So let us do the same thing by using the embedded styling method. So I'm using the paragraph and then open flower brace and color green semicolon and then the font family Arial semicolon and then we end the flower brace, okay? Now let us save this and run it in our web page, a web browser. I have already copied the link. If you don't know how to run the HTML page, the HTML document, you can see the video linked here at the suggested videos, okay? I'll also link that in the description box given below. Now I'm pasting and I have, sorry, I think something is wrong. Let us go to our document and see what's wrong with it. Yeah, I haven't used the end tag here. So style, yeah. The style attribute is not an empty tag, right? It is a non-empty tag. We have to use the end tag. So now let us rerun it. Yeah, this time we got the same thing. the heading is of size 80 pixels and the paragraph is of color green and a font family Arial. So in this way you can implement styling by using the style element within the head tag. This kind of styling is called the embedded styling. We shall discuss about the external style sheet styling while discussing about CSS. Okay, so that's all for today. If you enjoy this video and also learn something new, please like it and also share it with your HTML buddies and subscribe my channel for more HTML videos, and also go to the Python tutorial for more opportunities on Python. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.